Well, I thought they would run around for a little bit, give you guys something fun to watch, but I guess they just needed some hay this morning. They were cold. I just let them out of their stalls. They've been in there all night. And now they're going to eat. So I delayed my Tuesday morning video till today because honestly, I thought there'd be better views this morning than yesterday. And there are. It's pretty. I'm not crazy about the snow because it causes so much more work. But I have to admit it is pretty. I was thinking about anxiety because it's something that I know I deal with, and probably, well, everybody does at some point and some level. And I realized the other day I was feeling a little anxious about something that probably really didn't even matter, but you know, at that moment it seemed big. And the first thing I thought of was, I think I'll grab my phone and look at Facebook, or I think I'll grab my phone and do this, or I think I'll go watch a show. And we hear so much about like how anxiety is higher now because of social media and because of all the different activities we have out there. But sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at them in person rather than through the lens. And that's probably true, but I don't know that it's necessarily the social media. I think it's the distraction of it. So the anxiety was always there. People had it, but they had to deal with it. So when they had that little inkling of anxiety, they dealt with it. They thought about it. They worked through it. But now, when we feel that little tinge of anxiety, we go, hey, I think I'll watch a movie. That'll get my mind off of it. And so we delay it. And it starts stockpiling. And we do that over and over and over again until eventually it's big anxiety. So I've talked before about like sometimes when I'm driving, I turn off the radio, turn off everything, and I just listen to my brain. And I guess that's what meditation really is kind of taking that moment to like work through what's in your head. It's not thinking about nothing. It's dealing with those cobwebs that are just rolling around in your head. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do this perfectly, but I'm going to try the next time that I'm feeling a little anxiety is instead to be quiet and listen to it and work through it so it doesn't start stockpiling. Yes, my thought for the morning on this beautiful snowy morning. It's still snowing some. Horses are getting some hay. Sheep have their hay. Chickens have all their feed. All is good in the world. I actually don't have any anxiety this morning. It's nice. Geese are honking in the distance. Wow, it's just a pretty day. It's gray, but pretty. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna go clean some stalls. Talk to you soon. Bye.